Updating your payout destination on Chase Bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current and accurate. Step 1. Log into your Chase account. Visit the Chase Bank website or open the Chase mobile app. Enter your username and password to log into your account securely. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profile section. This is usually found in the menu or under your account name. Step 3. Select Payout Preferences. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Update your destination. Choose the payout destination you wish to update. You can add a new bank account or modify existing information. Follow the prompts to enter the new details accurately. Step 5. Save changes and confirm. After updating your payout destination, make sure to save the changes. You may receive a confirmation email or notification to verify that your payout destination has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily update your payout destination on Chase Bank. Always ensure your information is up to date to avoid any payment issues.